Okay. I don't know my glasses. My slippers are left in the house. I can't find it.
Where is that old now? Where is that old now?
Hello?
I know. I don't say go press me. Wait, but calm down. Wait.
What? I'll give my sister your own. I get the
Good morning, my love. What's up?
Give her my own.
Yo.
Say hi to my people.
Hi everybody. We're right here in Nigeria. And Madam Boss is representing Zimbabwe. Nollywood is getting respected or is respecting Zimbabwe right now because of Madam Boss. Beautiful. So I'm set and it's going on. It's moving well.
Okay. Look at this beautiful pin. Guys, you all know this one. If you watch African movies, you know this one.
Good morning.
This
So
one.
we're having Madam Boss on this one, and we are super excited to be working with her. And it's been fun, though she just came in yesterday. But it's been fun with her, and I wish we can just kidnap her here forever.
You kidnap me with my family.
Come for us.
Aww. And guys, you know this one. You know this
Say
one.
no to drugs.
You know this one. Please talk to my people.
Hi guys. You know I love you guys. You know I love you so much. I can't do without you. You know. All my people there. Is it how do you say welcome? Is it more, how do you greet your language again? No, Jesus.
Welcome.
Yeah?
Welcome.
Yes, inshallah.
Welcome your language.
Tokutambirai.
Yeah?
Tokutambirai.
Toktambirai.
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 Toktambirai. Toktambirai.
Thank you.
Toktambirai.
So guys, I love you guys, and whatever you do, don't do
Tell
drugs.
them about yourself.
My name is David Jones David. I'm a singer, an actor, I'm a Nigerian, obviously, and I sing against drug use. So please not do drugs. It's very bad. It destroys.
Please go on his Instagram. You know this guy. He's a funny guy. Sings. Yeah.
At David Jones David.
Where is the other one? The one who, the other actor. Where is he?
Oh, that's Ujams. Where's Ujams?
Where's your
Ujams?
job?
We
went home.
Home or to hotel?
No, we went like this.
To the house.
Oh, okay. Home. All right. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks. Yeah, bye.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Nigerians are beautiful souls.
Thank you.
And handsome
Yes,
soul.
they are. That one I'm not going to comment. So say no to drugs.
Yes. Always.
Tambire mawuya oga.
Tambire man, we are Oga.
Tambrin Maria. Oga. Whatever it means.
Whatever you say, I can say it.
Say okay, it's fine. Say makadi yenyu.
Makani and you.
Makadi and you? Makadi and you? What does it
Say
mean?
chintaulila.
Chintaulila.
Say chin one.
Okay.
You say chintaulila.
What does it mean?
What did it
No.
mean? Chintaulila. What does that mean?
You guys.
What does it mean?
Say Ronnie Day.
Wait. The way you're saying it, what does it mean? Wait.
Just say it.
I should just say it.
Yeah.
Okay, say it again.
Say Ronnie Day.
Ronnie Day.
Chintaulila.
Chintaulila.
Say DJ Towers.
Oh, DJ Towers.
Say Zim Celebs.
Zimsele.
Say Makadi yenyu.
Makadi and you.
What do you say?
What do you say?
Zidoro.
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 Zoro.
Zidoro.
Zoro.
Zimuno.
Zimuno.
Zimuromo.
Zimuromo. I don't care what it means. I'll say it. I want to say more. Give me difficult ones.
Okay. Mahwahwa.
Mahwahwa. Mahwahwa.
Kwa.
Say mazitama mahombe.
Mazitama Maumbe.
Say?
Mazitama Maumbe.
Mazitama Maumbe.
Say Mazindeva Ngwai.
Mazideva Ngwai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say Musoro Bangu.
Musoro Bangu.
Yeah, it's such
I don't care. I'll say it. It's not, give me difficult ones now. Give me long ones.
Exactly.
You want to be Nigerian?
Guys, what are the seafoods?
Eh?
Okay, Njenjana.
Njenjana. That's not.
Njenjana. That's Igbo language.
What is that?
Njenjana is Igbo language.
What
It's
is
Nigerian.
Okay, what does that mean?
That name is a Nigerian name.
It means what I will go home with.
What I'll
Okay.
go home with. Njenjana.
Njenjana.
Njenjana. Njenjana. You can also turn it to Ifenjana.
Ifenjana. Say Twabam.
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 Vanwenya.
Ranwenya.
Mafanwenya.
Ranwenya.
It sounds so funny.
Okay, then. I don't know what cover.
Say Twabam.
Video this.
Mafanwenya.
Pampang.
Say nye 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 nye.
Nye.
Say nye 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 nye.
Nye.
Gorere gonzo.
Gorere Gonzo.
Gorere gonzo.
Gorere Gonzo.
Gorere gonzo.
Gorere Gonzo.
Gorere nyuchi.
Gorere Nyunchi.
Our followers are just laughing at us.
Say mashurugwi.
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 Oskuda.
Oskula. I don't know. I don't care.
Oskula.
Oskuda.
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 Mahumba mahumba.
Mahumba Mahumba.
Mahumba mahumba.
Mahumba Mahumba.
Mahumba mahumba.
Bahumba.
Mahumba Mahumba. Mahumba Mahumba.
Listen to this
Mahumba
one.
Mahumba.
They are laughing. Oh my God.
What does that one mean? That one sounds it sounds special.
I want them to tell us.
Say mofela.
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 Yeah, Mofela. How are you? How are
This
you,
one knows
Mofela?
mofela. This one.
Eh? Okay, Mofela is not there. I like the name.
Mofela is my husband.
Oh, your husband? Oh, Mofela, my guy. How are you?
Say muriwa unedovi.
Muriwa Unidori.
Muriwa unedovi.
Muriwa Unidori.
Say nye.
Is that a word?
Say derere.
Derere.
Derere is okra.
Dererenge.
Say Robert Mugabe.
Robert Mugabe.
Ines Therese.
Ines Therese.
Chata.
Chata.
Say Net One Building.
Net One Building.
Econet.
Just call him names.
Say Econet.
MCN.
Say Skylake Ball Drilling.
Skylake Ball Reeling.
Nyarazo Group.
Nyarazo Group.
Nyarazo
Group.
Sawira Mukuru.
Sawira Mukuru.
Ah, wait. What trick are you playing on us?
This is not to do adverts.
Wait. No. What trick are you playing on
Say
us?
Marapatete.
Marapatete.
Say Marapatete.
Marapatete.
Say Ita Vanchoga.
Huh? What?
Ita Vanchoga.
Itavan Choga.
Ja Praiser.
Ja Praiser.
Tami Moyo.
Tani Moyo. I call him names. Shout out to all these people that calling their names.
Oh, is the fans telling us what to say?
Okay, now just
You see, it's not me. These guys are telling me what you guys are supposed to say. Say Lorraine Guyo.
Lorraine Guyo.
Lorraine Guyo.
Lorraine Guyo. Shout out to you.
Shout out to Comic Pasta.
Shout out to Comic Pasta.
Shout out to Gonyeti.
Gonyeti. Shout out to you.
Anachi Baby Onde.
Anachi Baby Onde.
Slick Pasta.
Slick Pasta.
Prophet Bakandiwa.
Prophet Makandiwa.
Prophet Magaya.
Prophet Magaya.
President Emerson Mnangagwa.
Same to you.
Say President Emerson Mnangagwa.
Emerson what?
Mnangagwa.
Munangwagwa.
Yes.
President Emerson Munangwagwa.
Yes. Say Dafu.
Dafu.
Shout out to Dafu.
Shout out to Dafu.
Shout out to Winky D.
Shout out to Winky D.
Say Ndirimbinga.
Ndirimbinga.
The last one.
Okay.
Say Ndirimbinga.
Ndirimbinga.
Inini.
Ini onyoyo.
So Ndirimbinga is like I'm rich.
Okay. Say it again.
Ndirimbinga.
Ndirimbinga.
Inini.
Inini.
Mbinge mashuaudo.
Mbinge mashuaudo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say 1202 Herbal Solutions.
Okay, so your own turn. Just your own turn now.
Okay, fine.
Hold on.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Say Mafuluku.
Mafuluku.
Oh, God. Say Okoko Maiko.
Okoko Maiko.
Correct. Say Idugi Mege Hine, man. Give her.
Say Orimifo.
Orimifo.
Say Abisuga.
Abisuga.
Say Ogene.
Ogene.
Say Abel.
Abel.
Say Obidi.
Obidi.
Say Lucas.
Lucas.
Say Ekpankoko.
Ekpankoko.
Say Onugu soup.
Elugu soup. The one who come at the front door is not a thief. The one who come at the back door is a thief. Don't fear,
Okay, say Odema.
Odema.
Say Ijesha.
Ijesha.
Ikorodu.
Okoko
Michael.
Ajangba di ago one no koko.
Achagwa one yamaneko.
Say. No, don't worry. Let me not prank you. I'll leave it again. It's all good.
It's good. We need to shoot.
Thanks, guys. We need to shoot. So nice talking to you guys.
Yeah.
I'm happy. Say no to drugs.
Say no to drugs.
Yes, sir.
And say no.
Yeah, say no to drugs. Be happy at all times. Happiness is free. Life is free. You should be positive at all times.
Okay.
And then do the things you love, and sometimes do the things you hate. Because a little bit of this, a little bit of that is what is called happiness, and that's what's called life. And if you're down today, I'm sure we've made you laugh, we've made you happy, we've lifted your spirit. Just keep being happy and follow your passion, irrespective of anything in life. There's no future in any job. The future lies in the man who does the job. So the future lies in you. It's better to spend a while being happy
Amen.
than spend an eternity, of unhappiness. So do the things that make you happy. Don't listen to what people say about you, because it truly doesn't matter. It is you that is actually the key to your own happiness. So ignore the word, let them talk, let them do what they're doing. Just be happy and life will be good.
Someone is asking, is weed drug? So answer.
Yes, it's hard drug.
Yeah, weed is hard drug.
It's a gateway drug. You see, all these drugs have their benefits, and you have soft drugs and hard drugs. So weed is categorized into hard drugs. You understand? So I mean, there's some drugs you take in, under prescription, and then there are some you don't just take. So I think even if anyone wants to take weed, it should be,
Prescription.
under prescription.
My brother, someone is saying, can you just sing one song for us?
Thank you.
Bye, guys. See you.
Bye.
That was a very